Nescafe Dolce Gusto Coffee Machine, Majesto, Espresso, Cappuccino and Latte Pod Machine. Nescafe Dolce Gusto Majesto is an automatic capsule coffee machine designed to perfectly fit your single-cup, black and specialty coffee brewing needs utilizing an intuitive touchscreen. Coffeehouse-inspired drinks. Explore the wide variety of decadent flavors and coffeehouse-inspired drinks offered by the Nescafe Dolce Gusto capsule-based coffee machine. With 17 flavor varieties, choose from authentic espresso, Americano, Chococino, Cappuccino, Latte, and more. Pressure-based system. The Majesto's 17 bars of pressure allows high-level extraction for optimal flavor, aroma, and body delivered consistently in every cup. Easy interface. Navigate the touchscreen display by simply dragging and tapping the screen to easily select and make your drink. The touchscreen also allows you to create a customized beverage, as well as provides automatic service reminders and machine care instructions. Ultimate coffee freshness. After spending our time crafting the perfect coffee, we then hermetically sealed the capsule to prevent humidity and oxygen from damaging our coffee. This proprietary technology ensures an intensely aromatic and fresh cup every time. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.